behind the barn door and see this baby goat.
Hi, sweetie, you're so pretty. How old is she?
He was born on December 18th. So
September?
December.
Yeah. Oh, so he's only about 4 months old.
Yeah, he's a baby.
Oh, baby, and this is kind of scary, huh? Coming and go like in a beauty contest,
So I've only
huh?
had him for a few weeks.
Oh, oh, I know. It's kind of scary. Can you say hello to the boys and girls? Okay, we'll see you in the ring. Thank you.
Side by side, guys. Come on,
In a competition, these goats have to have their legs straight. Look at the coloring on this one. Our friend here is being judged for first or second place, boys and girls. I'm hoping she won. I hope she won. Oh, did she come in first place? Oh, boys and girls, we met this little goat at the beginning and
just